This is the Vako 2012 crank rod controlled unit. Here I have a magnetic receiving end at the clutch, at the control unit, and the magnetic end, and that goes right in there. It's so easy. I'll show you again from far away. Just imagine you have it 19 feet up in the air. It's magnetic, and it just goes shoo, right in there. And it also pivots, so you can reach it over a sink or in hard to reach places. And my wand handle, you can bend at an angle. Oh my goodness, this is a lovely feeling. It's so powerful. It actually lifts about the same weight as a motorized unit. And it's so easy to use. It is probably one of my most favorite lift systems. And that is your 2012 unit. Now I'm going to show you how to assemble it. So here's the assembly for the control unit for the crank rod for the 2012. You see it has a little square fitting in here. That fits into the control end inside on the tube, on the keyed tube. So that's going to fit in like that. We have to build our crank rod. So first we have this fitting. It's a joint like this. It has some holes here that have to align with these holes on the control. So I'm lining these holes, and I have this collar with a pin that I have to line that up and snap it into place. Very easy. And this is actually the fitting that your crank rod's going to go into. It's a magnetic fitting. And now I have to install the cap. Okay. So now my control unit is assembled, and I've already put the first part of my crank together. So now we can assemble the second part of our crank, which consists of a handle that bends and rotates, and a rod that is customizable up to any length, up to 19 feet. It can be anything. I have a piece here that I have prepared already. But the preparing part is really cool because they give you these little jigs. So it makes it foolproof. This snaps onto your rodding, and it has a hole here, and you can drill your pilot hole right through this pole to get these holes. You need one on each end. One end is going to get your handle, and the other end is going to get the magnetic part. This side has a screw. Very easy, that's all connected. And to connect the handle, you have another one of these collars with a pin in it. You line up your holes and you snap it through. And now you have a crank. This pivots, so it can be operated on angles or straight.